Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super exciting. I'm so excited, you guys. My Mother's Day gift is here. I've been waiting for this, and the box just came right now. So okay. Oh my gosh, beautiful! I'm so excited. So you guys, I got myself the Michael Kors Jet Set bag. You guys, I've been eyeing this for such a long time. I'll take the paper off. I've been eyeing this for such a long time, and I had to get it. I was like, I've been working hard. I deserve something nice for myself. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take all this off. So I just took all the paper off of it. I'm gonna go ahead and see what the inside looks like. Paper, even the paper has MK on it. That's crazy. Okay. Paper. Ooh, so I can keep it. Where's my paper? So I can keep it in the dust bag. They did have a little Michael Kors dust bag like this, which I'm definitely gonna keep it inside just to make sure it keeps it in good condition. You guys, I'm really starting my bag collection, y'all. I used to never be into purses. I've always had diaper bags, especially once I started having kids, and I was like, you know what, I'm sick of diaper bags. I want a bag for myself that's nice. So had to get it, and it does have the Michael Kors on the zipper, and then even on the bottom it does have Michael Kors on here, the little bottom. So and I just think this is a very well made purse. I'm really happy with it. So I went ahead and took the tag off. You guys can see right here, Michael Kors, and this is a Jet Set. It's in the color brown acorn. Now they did have this bag in a black with gray, but for some reason when I buy bags I always get black. Like 90% of my purses are black, and I was like, you know, I'm sick of getting black. This is my third Michael Kors bag that's in like a brown, light brown. I'm starting to get into those colors. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to get black. I'm actually going to get the dark brown because I just feel like it looks really cute in this color. And it's not something I would necessarily get. So I'm excited I got that. Show you guys the inside. How the inside looks. Michael Kors does have like a little keychain thing here. Gonna go ahead and unzip this. Let me see. So you guys can see the end. So I did have cards in here, which I'm excited about. This is the Michael Kors card. Tech friendly accessory. Just have the Michael Kors care card. Michael Kors care card right here. This little stuff. So I'm gonna put that over there. There's another compartment on that side as well. It's a pretty big purse. Like even when I opened it, it's like my other Michael Kors bag. It was a pretty good size, so I was really excited for that. It also has sides on the side. The sides on the side. Can't talk. It also has pockets on the side. I feel like I'm still gonna use this as like a diaper bag. I could put one sippy cup here, one sippy cup over there. No, I still think that it will fit, but I really like the size of it. I'm so happy. I like the MK right here. I just think this is such a cute bag. I think this is a perfect size, especially perfect size bag for me. I'm gonna stand up just to see how it looks like this. I just think it looks really good on me. I love this color. I'm super happy with it. So let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know what's your favorite bag from Michael Kors. I'm starting to get my little collection from him, so I'm definitely a fan. If you do have this purse, let me know how long do you have it for, and like how was it over time, because I do plan on having this bag for a very long time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.